Okay, today's is the 40th.
The 40th, yep, birthday gift baskets.
And this is a series of, I wouldn't say these are how to do anything, but they're really sort of like what we're saying is that instead of sending flowers, instead of sending hampers or whatever, let's think of something different in the way of birthday gifts. And on that basis, we are saying as a professional gift basket company, right, well, this is how we approach the genre, the niche of birthdays. This is how we design them. This is how we put them together. It's how we assemble them so that if you would like to buy one from us, fantastic. But if you want to put your own together, here's a few little pointers in terms of how we put them or how we assemble them. And what we've done in order to make it more interesting is we've put them into round baskets, which is the most difficult shape to pack.
Yep.
You'll find other people doing it in terms of squares or rectangles or whatever, but choosing a round basket and packing that, difficult because all of the products are different shapes and different colors. Whenever we've got the products that you want to be at the front, you've got the products that you want to sort of feature because they are, good colors, or they are
the more expensive, exquisite product. What
you're really doing is saying, okay, well, is there anything that isn't really doesn't really fit in with the theme or whatever? So I've got a couple of pink products here like this in at the bottom, because what we're really saying here is that it doesn't matter. You don't need to have everything up on display, and making it all busy, and oh, look how much is in here. You're looking to create a depth of dimensions to your gift, so that whenever they open the thing up, there's nothing more annoying than all packaging, all bumped and whatever.
You see the ones like they do, like the bouquet and everything's on like a stick made to look like massive, but then it's empty. It's all filler then down in the bottom.
So we've put a couple of the products in at the bottom there because that can be the final thing that people open up, and they're getting more. So we put this into the basket, and we're not really looking to emphasize this because it's not a bottle isn't very pretty looking. It doesn't matter whether it's champagne, sparkling, Fresnay, anything at all. It doesn't look pretty. It's a bottle also. What's the problem with a bottle?
Breaks,
yes. So you want to bury the bottle in at the bottom, even if it's an expensive bottle. Even if you're putting Moy into there, it's sort of more classy not to have it on display, but to sort of I wouldn't say hide it, but to not make a feature of it. I want to build this one up a little bit more. I'm going to put into here. I want to put these things at the front of it. Okay, and then I want this, which is the perfect color, to be prominent on it. And then I'm going to
got there. So organic peppermint tea.
Peppermint tea.
It's a specialist London-based tea company.
I want to sort of basically start putting these things together, which is the blue elements. I'm not burying so much into this one, but I've got to be conscious. I don't want too many of the plastic packages being too prominent or whatever. I will put that product there because it adds the structure, the shape when you put the plastic, the cellophane onto it. And then these products in here will just basically go into the back there. I want more straw here so that it's completely covered. Ensure that there's no way that bottle can move, because movement is what breaks things. It's not the actual impact, it's the movement. And then that leaves you with the other things that you wish to put that you wish to put onto the basket. So I want to put the cake in at the front because that's perfect. You're celebrating the 40th, whether 47, whatever it may be. And then you also want to put the mug in this type of thing. In this case, we've got 40th. Then we want to put, where's my birthday? There we go. We've got the birthday bar there. And we've got the chocolate stuff here. And that is basically how I put together a birthday gift for somebody that is 40. So would you send this to somebody, who do you know that's 40?
Who do I know that's 40?
Or in their 40s?
Why? Neil, are you not in your 40s?
Afraid not. I moved out of that demographic there just this year. So.
But yeah, I would. I
my
think
sister.
your sister. Yeah, I think it's tasteful. There's something there that no matter what mood you're in, you're gonna pick at it, and it's, yeah, presented beautifully. And I like the wicker.
Yeah, it's something
basket.
different. If I was thinking of sending flowers, which is what you tend to do, or I was thinking of sending a hamper and I wanted to send something better,
Yeah.
then I would consider purchasing one of these.